Guys, welcome to my view. Today we are going to see England versus Sri Lanka second ODI match, and it's going to happen in Oval, London. And the time which is going to be happen is 5:30 Indian Standard Time. Now we are going to see about the pitch condition. The pitch condition totally differs from the previous match, where the bowlers tend to show some aggressive intent, but in this match, in this pitch, only it's a batting paradise where the average score for the last five match, the first innings is 314 runs. So it's totally a batting paradise, and the batting first team wins 80% of the time. So the toss will be a crucial factor. The whoever wins the toss will choose to bat first. And when you're going for the wicket, the wickets are very least number of wickets have fallen, and that too 75% are taken by the pace bowlers. So pick most number of pace bowlers in your team, and avoid picking Adil Rashid, Moeen Ali, like Praveen Jaya Vikrama in your team. Head-to-head match, and these two teams have played 76 matches so far, and which the 37 matches are won by England and 36 matches are won by Sri Lanka. Now we are going for the batters and wicketkeeper section. The highest factor will be Joe Root. Joe Root has an average of 46.2 match fantasy points in last 10 games. See, he has failed maybe a 3 to 4 times he have failed, but on that failed match too he have taken 2 to 3 catches or a wicket while bowling. So he's an important factor and he comes in one down. So it's better you keep him in team and either give captain or vice captain position, whatever may be the situation, like England bats first or England bats second. He's an important player, don't miss him in your team. The next is Johnny Bairstow. Johnny Bairstow has an average of 77.2 in the match fantasy point the last 10 games. So he is a keeper, so he may take 2 to 3 catches and he is in opening batting position. So better don't avoid him, please pick him. And the another is in keeper section we are having Kusal Perera. Kusal Perera, like everyone will be surprised that he is out of form in T20, but in the last match too I picked him because it's different from T20, it's an ODI, and he has a match fantasy points of 70.3 average match fantasy in the last 10 games. So is a must, and these three players should be a must whatever may be the situation or whoever bats first. These three players is must in your team. The next we are going for the bowling section. Dushmantha Chameera, the only bowler in Sri Lanka whom we can trust and keep him in team is like Dushmantha Chameera. He is having an average of 68.5 match fantasy points in last 10 games. This is the highest ever for a Sri Lankan bowler. So he is a must in the dream team. Then we are going for a Mark Wood. Mark Wood in the last match he is off, but he is actually a good bowler who has great pace effect. So he is averaging a score of like 45.4 match fantasy points in the last 10 games. So you may decide while choosing the factor, and due to the pitch condition it supports only the fast pitch bowlers, so better have him in your team. The next is Binura Fernando. Binura Fernando is a tall Lankan face bowler who strikes the pitch very hard. So you can keep, because the pitch also supports the face bowler. He is also a crucial factor, and he is having an average of 38 match fantasy points in last 2 games. So we are going for the top fantasy predictions. For England versus Sri Lanka top place last match, it will be like Chris Woakes, who has a top average fantasy point 134, and Joe Root is 107, and David Willey comes third in 85 points. So Dushmantha Chameera, Kusal Perera and Wanindu Hasaranga, you can't leave him in your team because they both bats and bowls also, so it's better you can keep him in your team. The next player we are going for captain and vice captain options will be Joe Root. Yeah, is definitely a contender for a captain and vice captain option. Then we will go for Chris Woakes or Johnny Bairstow. These three are really a good factor for captain and vice captain options. Now we are going for playing 11. There is no change expected to be in the playing 11 compared to the last match for the Sri Lanka. So I hope they stick with the same team. when we come to England also, I hope the same is going to happen. I might think there might be a single change which it Tom Curran may come in place of Markwood. They can rest Markwood for the upcoming series, so they may give chance to Tom Curran. That is the only option we are expected. Thank you guys, and keep supporting the channel, and please subscribe the channel and follow me in Telegram for the final tip. Thank you guys. Yeah, we are going to see the final. We are going to see the team. This is the team, guys. This is the sample team which I am having right now, but at last I can change. The only change I can do now is I can take the Markwood out, because I don't think Markwood will play today, so I will go for Tom Curran. This is my team, guys. You can make one or two changes, like you can take Moeen Ali and keep Sam. That is a change because it's a type of a fast bowling pitch. So this will be a correct team as of now. But at last we can make a change after the lineup have been released. And whoever bats first or bats second, according to that I will change the team.